So 17 years later, we were looking for a reunion and we got something which is more like a chat show. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So the most awaited Friends reunion is out now, and I'm not really that much happy. I was just expecting something which we could really cherish for even forthcoming years. Like if it would have been a kind of a extended version of how Monica and Rachel and Ross and Joey and Phoebe are in 2020, rather than we just having a kind of a glimpse based on what the actors think about their characters. So all in all, it was not that bad as well, because it is after all a very happy moment to see everyone reuniting together and thinking about how they have found out the entire show about, but not really what I expected. I really was kind of looking for something wherein we get to see some insight about the characters rather than the actors and where they are right now and how what they have gone through. This could have been a documentary just based upon what the actors feel, or just the behind the scenes or the makings. But Friends reunion, when you advertise it in such a big platform, or you advertise it in just in such a big manner, that we really kind of have a slight expectation from where our favorite characters are. Because even though all the actors are so much connected to us, but what made us more connected to the show are all the characters. So it would have really been a very unique experience of seeing how Phoebe is reacting to this lockdown, or how anxious is Monica becoming with respect to all COVID vaccines, and what all how much sanitization she can do in every part of her apartment, or how freaked out Ross could be based on how his life is there at the moment. So these moments would have been even much more better if they would have just given us a kind of a bonus episode. Even that would have been fine, because we really don't know now when we could get to see all these characters together once again in one particular screen. So only on that part I'm slightly disappointed, but I'm definitely very much happy to see everyone reuniting together, living those moments again, which we were kind of doing all these years by just running the reruns of the show endless times. I have watched the entire all 10 episodes minimum 8 times in these past 7 8 years. I started watching Friends after 2013 or 14 approximately, and then whenever I still have that one folder saved in my computer, which could never be deleted, and that is all the 10 seasons with 23 to 24 episodes each of every Friends season. So whenever there is no internet, I always have these offline episodes of every Friends scene, because these shows, these episodes and all these characters have made us more relatable to life, being from point of view of what situation we are facing at different moments. We have different Friends character, and I can definitely tell you this, that if you are even randomly picking up any episode and watching it, even if isn't that much hilarious, out one person out of those 6 characters would definitely bring a smile on your face. Be it over-organized Monica, be it those small Chandler jokes, be it the quirkiest form of Phoebe, or be it those little one-liners of Rachel. Even though I hate Rachel, but sometimes she has played very good. Or be it Ross's kind of overhyped theory and everything, or be it just Joey being dumb purposely. So all these moments will definitely bring a smile to your face, even if you just randomly pick up any episodes. But definitely, I was expecting so much more from the Friends episodes of the Friends reunion. So, and also talking about the reunion, the guest appearance list was really good. So start like right away from Mindy Kaling to Kit Harington to David Beckham, and I was a little bit surprised to know that there aren't Ben or Emma, because even there's a scene where Jennifer calls that like what Rachel and Ross could be in the future. So it could have easily been there if they would have been just there in the reunion. All in all, yes, I'm happy, but at the same time, I really wanted something related more to the characters rather than more to the actors. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let me know what you think about the Friends Union in the comments below, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And I'll be meeting you in the next video.